Thank you so much for staying with us. It's been a hotly debated topic all over the country in the wake of the Boston bombings. Should the suspect, Johar Tsarnaev, have been read his Miranda rights? Well, here to weigh in on the debate and tell us about the legal implications is attorney Jay Davis. Jay, thanks so much for coming on as always. And now let's just start by talking about what Miranda rights are. I think a lot of people at home may not know exactly what they are. And when do law enforcement officials use them?
Anytime law enforcement is going to question somebody, they have to tell them the Miranda rights are. They don't say that, but the rights are: you have the right to remain silent. Anything that you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to an attorney, and if you can't afford one will be provided for you. That's the basic line of Miranda rights. Several cases went through where the police were compelling people to testify, or people feel compelled when the police talk to them that they have to testify. It's our right not to, and so the police have to tell you that.
Now, in this case, with Mr. Tsarnaev, does he have a right to have been read his Miranda rights, in your opinion?
He has the right. He has the right, in certain exceptions, to know his rights, to have them read, or whatever he says will be not admitted in court. That's where he needs to stop. So the law enforcement, if they need something, they don't need to be able to introduce that in court unless a public safety exception, and that's what they're trying to use. And that's where the police come up and they say, hey, there's a gun missing here, where's the other gun? Or if they say, where's the bomb, what other bombs do you have here? They need to know information, and they don't have an obligation to tell him that. But when they start saying, who are you affiliated with, who did you plan this with, that goes beyond the safety inspection.
The safety, okay.
And because of that, I don't believe that it's going to hold up.
And that was my next question. So some of what he's been telling police officers and officials may not, in fact, be used as evidence against him in a court of law. I believe that without having the Miranda read to him, they're opening themselves up to not be able to get it in on the public safety exception. At this point, do you feel like they need to backpedal now and read him his rights and get him a lawyer in
there? No,
there?
I don't think you need the information that he's going to tell. I think they've got the information. They've got all the proof they need. It's not a question. They don't want to read him his rights. They would like to get it in anyway. They'll try to get it in by public safety. Probably not. But they've got all the evidence they need, and there's no need really to read him his rights. They need to get the information out of him.
All right, Jay Davis, always interesting to hear your opinion. And if you have a legal question you'd like answered on the air, just send us an email to itsthelaw@41nbc.com.